drops, and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of TRON. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. You should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience.
Mantenga la barra de seguridad bien ajustada. Supervise a los pequeños del equipo azul en todo momento.
Initiate identity disk profile. Initiate light cycle run upload sequence in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome to TRON Light Cycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chimney, all members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just a home. To open a locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit numbering. You will be piloting a specially modified Lightcycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are assigned the bar vehicle, you must walk behind the Lightcycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebars. To synchronize with your Lightcycle, kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you.
I think no, because we got a lock right now.
TRON Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your Lightcycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will meet you there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the Lightcycle Run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you?
Hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Detecting malicious code, no concern.
I am Master Control and have taken over. Your new directive, spread my code throughout the grid. Do so or be derezzed. Launch in 3, 2, 1. First gate captured. Second gate. Gate 3. Ignore them. Keep going. 4. 3 more gates. Excellent work. The grid is now mine.
Negative. Malicious code neutralized.
No!
Great work, Team Blue. Your run helped us track and eliminate his program.
Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.